Welcome back. Speaking of back to school, a few more days till that lunchbox comes out at night to be packed for the morning. I'm sorry that I'm reminding you all, but that's the goal. So here with a few tips, tricks, and foods to keep our kids ready to learn all day long is registered dietitian Nicole Dandrea-Russert. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Tara. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. I love it when you're here. I always learn a lot. I love your book. If you don't have her book, please get it. But let's talk about a simple formula for building a healthy lunchbox that our kids will actually want to eat and open.
Enjoy and get excited about. Yes. So, so think about Eat the Rainbow. This is something we've all heard growing up. Somewhere along the line, it was lost. I don't know where, but most of us don't get, including kids, don't get enough fruits and vegetables, and that means we also are not getting enough fiber and all the nutrients that we need to thrive, especially kids in school with focus and sports and all the things they need. So think about first building that rainbow in each box. So purples, reds, yellows, all the colors to get your fruits and vegetables, and then protein and fiber. So for example, here we have a pasta salad. Now this pasta is actually made with spinach and beet and carrot, so you can add more vegetables to it as well. We've got some fruit. You can get some edamame, great for protein and carbohydrate. Yeah, so really leading with Eat the Rainbow.
Okay, I love that because you also say pairing fiber with protein is how they're going to get through the day and keep their mind sharp and focused. And this is giving me some ideas because I try to do this, but I need to see it, I think, to visualize it, to do it in my own home.
Right, sometimes you just need to see it. Yeah, like some great examples. I think beans are so underutilized and they have the perfect combination of fiber and protein. That keeps kids sustained, their energy sustained longer. They don't have the crashes. They're able to focus better. So it's so important, and it's good for their gut microbiomes and good for keeping regular, all the things. So, you know, roasted chickpeas, edamame, that's so important.
Let's talk about picky eaters. Any tips for those of us with picky eaters?
Yes, and this goes for kids and adults alike, so even adults in the family, but just having fun. So getting people involved, getting your family involved. So I love setting out stations. Again, going back to Eat the Rainbow, a variety of purple foods, red foods like purple cabbage, tomatoes, red peppers, yellow squash is in season still. So thinking about the rainbow, adding leafy greens, and letting people pick, and kids included, pick what they want. So something like, you know, getting different spins. Instead of just regular hummus and veggies, make a hummus pizza. Do a little confetti. Get the kids to add confetti to the hummus pizza. Give fun names to things. So this juice has 2 fruits and 3 vegetables: cauliflower, spinach. It has some cashews. You can use sunflower seeds instead of cashews. It has, you know, banana in there and berries. It's green. Call it dinosaur juice. You know, whatever you can do to just put a fun spin on it, and then making these veggie rainbow wraps, which are always fun. But getting kids involved in the process can help empower them to make their own decisions, but you're giving them good options.
I was going to say, and then if they make the decisions too, they're more likely to eat it because they chose it. Any tips for what we should look for when choosing reusable lunch containers?
Yes. So, you know, sustainability is a big thing right now. It's of course good for the planet, you know, minimizing plastic where we can, but also getting kids to use something, you know, like stainless steel straws and stainless steel mugs and reusable lunch containers. It's a little bit of an upfront cost at first, but you can wash them and reuse them. So long term, it really is cost effective. And then you're also giving kids safer materials that they're eating from.
Safer materials is always something we can use. Okay, let's talk one healthy lunchbox hack that can save time without sacrificing nutrition. And we have about 40 seconds left.
So I'm a big fan of making once and eating all week. So something like, I've got these breakfast cookies. They're just banana, oats, peanut butter, and chia seeds. They're packed with fiber and protein. You can just make them once, have them ready to go, and take them in your lunchbox. Pancakes. You can roll them up. I don't know if you've ever done this, but like peanut butter and jelly, roll it up and eat it like a little fruit roll-up kind of thing. But with pancakes, this is made with buckwheat flour, which is high in protein. So think about like buckwheat flour or oat flour that are high in protein and fiber instead of regular white flour. So easy, make them once, grab and go all week long.
Okay, Nicole, thank you so much. I love having you here. Tell people quickly your website.
Thanks, Kara. Purelyplanet.com. Yes, lots of recipes there.
Okay, perfect. I will utilize those all school year long. Thank you for being here, and happy back to school week. Thank you so much. We'll see you right back here tomorrow for a fun Tuesday show. Bye-bye, everyone. Be kind.